Hi everyone, just made this quick tutorial to show you how we're going to use the checkout system for the lab and the library computers this year. We're not going to use the document that's in the staff group anymore. Instead, we're going to use shared calendars. So you should have gotten 2 emails from me, one for the lab calendar and one for the library calendar. The first thing you need to have done is open both of those emails and click Add this calendar. So once you do that, here's how you access checking out information on the calendar. So down here, I'm in the Outlook web app. This also works if you have Outlook on your computer. Calendar is an option for both of them. So over here on the bottom left-hand corner of the screen, there's this little calendar icon. So what you need to do is you need to just click on that and it will open up your calendars. So for me, I have the lab and the library checkouts under my calendars because I created them. But for you, it's going to be under people's calendars. So right here, once you add the calendar, you'll see Lab 107 checkout and library checkout. So when you want to reserve technology for one of the dates, you click on the calendar you want. So I'll go Lab 107. It will open up to the month that it is. So no more scrolling through pages looking for the month that you want. It's going to open up to the current month that we're in. So say I want technology for Thursday, August 29th. You click on the number and it will open up this little dialog box. Make sure in the top left-hand corner you have the calendar selected that you want. I don't want this to say calendar. I don't want this to say library. I want it to say lab. So that's step 1, is make sure it's on the correct calendar. And then for the title, just put your name and then the class periods that you want it for. So I would take it for 2, 6, and 7. That's it. When I click save, that event's been created, and then that will automatically update on everybody else's calendar because everyone will have editing purposes. So then you can go in here and see, it just says 8 a.m. I don't think we need to worry about setting the times. That's just kind of cumbersome, as long as we're just putting the periods within the event title that we want the technology for. So this way, everything will be updated. We don't have to go in every semester and change the dates or delete anything, and it will always come up to the current date that you're on. If you want to change the month, then you can click this drop-down arrow. I'm in 2019. If I want to book something for September, it brings up September's calendar just like that. Again, I click on the day that I want it for, put my title here for my name and my class period, and click save. I think this is going to be less cumbersome for us to use. It requires less work in the upkeep because it automatically updates itself. So again, just a couple things. Make sure up on the top you have the correct calendar that you want. Maybe I want to do this in the library. If I check the lab calendar and it's booked, I can just change to the library calendar and then get it booked there. If you have questions or you need help with this, please let me know. I'm happy to help you guys out, but hopefully this system is user-friendly and will work for everybody.